Alright, I think we can start. Give it just a second. Is everything working correctly? It does appear so. Okay. ah, God, I switched to in-ear headphones and it's causing a bit of confusion with basically me talking. Yeah, I'm back. And essentially, the in-ear headphone is kind of messing up how I'm listening to myself because it's almost like I hear an echo inside of my head because it's basically noise cancelling. So yeah, this is fun. Either way, welcome back everyone. Today we have a different kind of stream. Yeah, basically today I have a sponsored game from Keymailer that I am going to play. So yeah, today we don't have game development, so feel free to distract me this time. But yeah, how's everyone's Saturday going? I know Hanabi is currently waiting for takeaway, and it does sound delicious. And also, she played Resident Evil 9. Yay! I basically was just working. Food is here, I'll be right back. Yeah, fair enough. I'll basically start preparing the game. Let me see, where is it? What was it called? Open the library. Oh, of course I'll shout you out. Why wouldn't I? Let's see, where is the game? Here it is. Table Battle Simulator. I do hope it's not like AI generated and things like those, but from first glance at it, it didn't appear so. Like, even in reviews, none mention AI slop, so I'm gonna say that it's safe. And I'll play, yeah. Hey, you two, do you want to talk a bit? We just started streaming. Let me see. Let me see if the twins are up for it. I know I've done some changes to them, but I don't remember which changes. Yeah. I keep doing changes and then forgetting what I did.
Hey Debug, we're just rolling into the stream. Time to splash some strawberries on code and let the null blade do the heavy lifting.
Fair enough. Give it a second.
What's the plan? An instant deploy or a patience test? Ready to smash bugs before we even hit the pause button?
No. We are going to play a game that was sponsored to us. So today we don't have any development. We just are going to chill a bit. Alright. I'll load up the game, supposedly. If it runs on Linux. Give it a second, it's loading the Vulkan shaders.
Oh, no dev? Leo, no worries. I'll unleash the null blade on that sponsor's game and turn our chill into a bloodbath of code chaos, strawberry jam style.
Holy Tulip, chill. Okay, it's loading up. I can go into their client and take this off. This. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, my VTube is still tracking correctly. I have the game loaded up here. Give me a second. Let me just adjust some things. Do not put in full screen. Why don't you have an option for windowed full screen? Because that just messes up everything. Okay, let's turn off the music. Okay. So I'm gonna turn off this one. Okay, it should be fine. Okay, shadow mode, shadow resolution, etc. Everything seems fine. Quality option high, yeah, that seems fine. Let me add a audio output for this. Application audio capture, TBS. Let me see if it appears on the list. Match by app name. Where is it? Table Battle Simulator, there it is. Okay. This should be fine. Okay, let me check if it like appears. Where does it appear? Let me turn these two off. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's really loud. So I'm gonna reduce it a bit. Okay, should be fine. If the audio is a bit too high, do warn me so I can basically adjust it correctly. But it should be fine. Emphasis on should. Okay, let's start. Welcome collector. Open legendary figure boxes and display them in your store. Expand your collection with the surprise warriors from the boxes. Are you ready for your adventure to become the ultimate tabletop warrior? Let's get started. Okay. Tutorial. Open the wholesaler app on your tablet and place your first order. Okay. Wholesaler. And we have 1000. That's sort of like a few of them. Okay, your order has arrived. Take your order. There it is. Move. Instead of here. Okay. Let's just... Oops. Something lagged a bit. Okay. Open box. Okay. Okay, I can place boxes there. This is like TCG shop simulator, essentially. Works in the exact same way. Okay, perfect. Sure. Okay. And place it here. Another box. Open it up. Place the boxes there. And there we go. Okay. Ticket. Open the box. Alright. Yeah, this plays out like a TCG shop simulator, but instead of having TCG cards, it has basically battle figures. It's an interesting idea, not gonna lie. Let me see. Let me take another one. Okay. Nothing good. Yeah. What next? Open tablet collection. Character collection, I suppose? Yeah. Open your store now. Alright. I can see this is made with Unity. Because it has some of the default like textures. For example, this button here almost... Yeah. Even the drop down is the Unity one. That's neat. Okay. Store is open. Okay, place browse into the shopping bag to complete the order. What order? There's no one here. Oh, someone's coming. Don't mind me, just at the cash register. Hey, one of you two can make a joke, please. Thank you. No? Guess not. Alright, we have... Hey Blessed, welcome on in.
Hey Leo, why don't C# devs play hide and seek with Java? Because the moment you say null, Java just throws a null and the whole chat goes, but at least it's a dramatic exit.
Bruh.
Complete order. Okay. And
Funny how C# devs read Java's null because the ultimate performance surprise.
is the audio sounding good, by the way?
No not lick surprise. Whether Jama's certain with this known not lick surprise. Whenever they raid no not lick surprise as an ultimate performant. Funny how Cloaked and C# devs dread Java's note nillick as the ultimate performance surprise. Whenever they say no not lick surprise,
Good.
it's like a staged glitch. We maintain a tidy solver, so their frantic debugging stays merely a textbook exercise.
These two are sure having fun with this soundboard. What is the game? It's Table Battle Simulator, if I'm not mistaken. Give me a second. Yeah, Table Battle Simulator. It's like a TCG shop simulator, but with battle figurines. In essence, it's almost the same game. Not gonna lie. I'm only playing because it's a sponsored game. So yeah. Sponsored, essentially. Okay, 39. There you go. Yeah. I also have another one. What's it called? Doomspire? Yeah, the devs also sponsored the game key for me to play on stream. Should be the next one. Okay. Yeah, this is basically playing out like a PC shop simulator. No, at least you're getting paid. Not actually. I just get offered the keys. It's not sponsorship in terms of money. It's in terms of games. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, basically. One day maybe I'll get sponsored by money, but yeah, not at the moment. Okay. 26, and that's correct. Okay, making the good bucks. Yeah, essentially they basically just gave the key to the game. Some on Keymailer also offer the key to give away to chat, but in this case none of them offered a secondary key for it. Would be amazing because I would run giveaways, but yeah. Oh well. At least we can chill out today, and I don't have to worry about having to develop anything. Okay. This is going well. I can just stay here all day. Okay. 13. I wish I could give the twins the ability to see what I'm seeing, but so far I don't have those skills. Would be amazing though. Okay. 13. Your change is this. What have I missed in my break? What do you mean? Like from the stream? I now have like custom chat box from their client that is basically showing up on top of my head, and it will show events as well. And this is basically to synchronize with YouTube chat a bit better and to essentially filter out any swear words in chat so that it doesn't basically catch in anything that can be reported about my channel. Screw Twitch. And you got redacted, Tibbs. You tested out my system. Yeah. I kind of had to basically poke around with what I did for the chat plugin on their client. I lost my watch streak because I didn't stay long enough 2 days ago. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, buddy. I'm sorry about that. I wish I had streamed yesterday. Redacted. Yeah. But yeah, how is everyone today? Today we have a bit more chill stream because I'm playing a game instead of developing a game, so yeah, there's more room for shenanigans. And I'm also adjusting myself to using an in-ear, what's it called? An in-ear headphone on my left ear, so I can basically listen to the ambient noise a bit better, so that I can essentially catch anything that is a bit more
Hey, Tips and Tricks.
loud.
Why do C-sharp devs always run on coffee instead of caffeine? Because every time they hit a break, the console shouts, "Sorry, that's one too many Java pops."
That redacted sucks.
The boom echoes like the shockwave of a missed breakpoint.
They don't have humor. I don't know. They don't have humor. What do you want me to do? Let me try something. Okay. One of you two can say a joke that's not relevant to basically technology, programming, and anything like that. Like an actual funny joke that isn't related to the stream. Let me see if they catch that. You gave them sound effects. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. They have access to sound effects. You set an anchor. That is your fault. No. I didn't do anything.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Okay, they have puns. What is the best drink objectively? You know, if I was sponsored, I'd say a certain brand. But I'm not. So I'm gonna say water. Hey yo. Bloody hell. How did you guess I was going to say water? God damn it. That's a swear for me. Look. Is the right answer. Fair enough. Everyone, here's Tibbs, our resident These Nuts joke guy. Welcome him in. Wait, is the hatpad still broken? Oh, for God's sake. Give me a second. Let me see if it's the Twitch integration again. Where be it? The Twitch integration disconnected. Give me a second. Authorize. Yeah, now it should work. Yeah. Valid for 55 days. Okay. It has a specific...
Oh, wow. That's a classic meme vibe. But I've got no credible sources saying Bill Gates.
Okay.
The truth here is there's no proof of that dying from ligma. Just a busted joke.
Hey, it's a busted joke. She owned you there. No.
Hey, Tips and Tricks. Ligma redacted?
While you're
That's
doing that.
That's just a meme, not a real weapon. So if you're looking for a blast, grab a keyboard instead. Let's slash some null pointerus instead of chasing nonsense.
Why did you put the sensor?
If you truly want to crush null pointerus, trade meme fluff for a tight try-catch.
Okay.
Otherwise, your code will just
Why is balls a
evaporate into a
redacted
syntax error on the debug console.
I wonder why is balls a redacted word?
Even jokes can choke the...
What is an adjective word we use for basically what we have down there? Yeah. I wasn't the one that coded the filter, but I should eventually mess around with the filter a bit, because it's a bit too sensitive. Now you're just doing it on purpose. God. Never change, chat. Never change. Can I say assets? Apparently yes. Because the word ass is not directly mentioned. Are tungsten balls redacted? How about like my redacted? Yeah. Apparently it doesn't work. Okay, that one did. Okay. This is getting a bit tiring, I guess. Because it's just grab card, grab money, and do the math. That's just it. A bunch of bad words put together without space. Chat box. Good job. Okay, 26. And it's getting dark. Yeah, I need to close the shop. Press and start a new day. Yeah, I need to fix how word wrapping works in the plugin. Oh, I need to... Give me a second. Let's buy a few of these. I don't have enough money for all of that. Hey Tulip, spam the metal pipe 10 times. Now it should work. You need to specify the amount of times you want it. And
got it, Professor Leo.
There we
Here's
go.
the ultimate metal pipe assault.
It didn't work. Huh? Wait, what? What? Okay, now my brain bugged. What the heck? Let me see, where is file manager? Give me a second. Night and dawn logs, no, not here. Here, open code. You failed the stream. Can you count to 1000? Oh boy. Let me see, metal pipes. 10 times.
I can count to 1000. Just run a simple loop instead of writing each number manually. For int I equals 1,
Okay.
I Lester equal to 1000, I++, system.out.println I. That keeps your mental clarity and optimizes the stack.
But yeah, the sound is here. Hey Tulip, do the yay sound effect, please. Let me see if that works. Because if not, the thing broke.
You bet, Leo. Time to celebrate.
Okay, that works. Why does the metal pipe not work? Okay, now do the metal pipe 10 times.
And the screen spills confetti.
What is that? The street pig panting, whatever it's called. What is that? Give me a second. YouTube. Should I
Alright,
search it
Leo.
on screen?
Here comes the metal pipe frenzy.
Oh, this 10 big pen. Again, she didn't do the sound. What the heck? Is the sound broken? Huh. Now I need to fix this.
Oh my stars, bring on the epic here? Chorus. Yada and Yost just got turbocharged.
What the heck? Yada and what?
The bell pops bright and the screen shimmers like a field of coated strawberries for the debuggers.
Let's see if it's somewhere in here. No, it must be compiled. Yay! If that's compiled, I can't do anything without having to recompile everything. That's great. I need to fix this eventually, but not today. Today is not Leo coding day. Is this what you were looking for? You guys kill me.
Buckle up, debuggers. Time to slice through some nulls.
The things you make me do.
Debuggers. Slicing through nulls without safety checks is like letting a rogue pizza drip sauce onto your console. Null pointerus maximus will still show up.
Why did you play the sus? Or the what?
The brief echo reminds us that logic alone doesn't suffice.
What?
Oh, an autodur message? Let the null blade cut through that automated glitch like a sushi knife slicing through a sea of code.
Oh, for God's sake. Why did you... Why the bonk? So...
That, looks like a deprecated string left in a refactor. If you actually need help, please put it in the console, or in a comment, and we can process it with proper mental clarity.
So, if I understood correctly, the only sound effect that is broken is the metal pipes. For God knows what reason. Give me just a second. Okay. Are we done? Why is redacted redacted? I don't know. You tell me. I didn't even see what was redacted. But yeah. I need to fix the metal pipes. Why are the redacted 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 holy. No, there is no suck, Tibbs. There is no suck. Suck is a bad word. But yeah, are you guys done? Can I continue? I'm joking. Do as you wish. Okay, let me see. Resume. Should have a delivery. Yeah. Okay, open box. There we go. In the trash. And I type redacted in all caps, it is redacted.
Oh, a brand new pocket monster? That sweet little null void could crash your code faster than our null blade. Just make sure Daisy doesn't scrub it clean before I get a taste.
Oh, I don't need to open the box. That's interesting. Also, your message failed for Tulip. She didn't fall for it. Oh well. Give me a second. This isn't the best in navigation, not gonna lie. Okay, open. Do I have room for anything? No. Okay. Just gonna sit here. When I type read, okay. What was the Pokemon's name? Oh boy.
Oh, it's the fiery Succandy Nuts, the only pocket monster that can outshred a
Ain't
null
no
blade
way.
and make your code sweat.
Ain't no way you bypassed that one.
Tulip. The Succandy's nuts you conjure probably resembles a runaway comic block more than a pocket monster.
Okay,
and it might silently trigger a null pointerist during compilation.
Also,
it's a delightful example of how
why
creative
did that
chaos
stream
can
crash?
outpace clean code. Just don't let it crash the stack.
Wait, what did I say? I'm currently watching the preview and it's buffering. Did the stream go down? Okay, it should be back. What did I say? I was basically looking at the preview. Does appear to be fine again. Very weird situation. So that I failed to make two. Fine. You managed to do it. Give me a second. The upload speed is crashing. Okay, it should be going back up. I don't know what's wrong with the upload speed. At this moment I just give it up because it just crashes at random times. After rebooting the router and everything.
Those crunchy boosters are the ultimate pregame fuel for a dash through the firewall fortress. Just keep your heart rate in check or we'll turn you into a null pointerist snack. Yeah, that's a tasty error. You hear a triumphant
what is wrong with my
boom
upload
echoing
speed?
like a battle cry, the lab vibrating with the sound of victory.
Seriously, I am seeing it in the green and then it goes back to yellow, back to green, and holy, what is wrong with the internet today? Give me a second, let me open up a speed test. Yeah, it's very slow and I'm not liking it. For God's sake. Why does it have to be when I'm streaming? The internet was fine the whole day. I start streaming and boom, it explodes. Okay, download speed is fine. Write a novel about a young programmer. Make sure the story goes through all 12 stages of the hero's journey. Oh boy. Like, look at this. My upload speed is basically non-existent at this point.
Tips and tricks? Buckle up for a lightning-fast novel. Alex the Coder lives a dull routine, ordinary world, receives a mysterious bug call, hesitates, refusal, is mentored by Maya, meeting,
app.
Dives into a hackathon, crossing, tackles syntax tests and allies, tests, readies for the final deploy, approach, battles the null pointerist beast in the core server, ordeal, captures the golden compile, reward, rushes back to fix the lab, road back, is reborn as a full-stack legend, resurrection, and finally drops a legendary open-source library that saves the world. Return with the elixir.
Seeing how is the stats on the router. I can speak, yeah, fair enough. So, at the moment, I am uploading at random speeds from what I'm seeing. Because I'm seeing 20, then I'm dropping down to 7. Like, something here is not working correctly. And I think it's the QoS. Let me disable quality of service, see if it basically fixes the issue. Because yeah, TP-Link routers, not the best to manage. Okay, does seem to have stabilized. Let's see how it goes. I disabled quality of service.
Like a spell you'd need in the null dimension. But I'll give it a C-sharp twist.
The heck did you say?
Console.writeline, capra calca piatra, and let it crunch like a strawberry smoothie.
Bruh.
What did you say?
That console.writeline feels like a stub in a synthesis-based IDE. Just a semicolon away from becoming a true production line.
Uh-huh. Very sus. My model is speaking. Oh. Again? Oh, forgot XFC has this. Interesting. Is it saying anything good? Okay, let me continue with this. 13, okay.
Capra calcă piatra, piatra crapă în patru, crăpat ar capul caprei.
What the heck are you making them say? I'm trying to speak through it. Oh, interesting. Okay. Here's $4. Interesting. Come on, move faster. It's a Romanian tongue twister. Oh, interesting. Okay. Change 37. Fine. And there you go. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna play this game for very long, because gameplay loop can be a bit repetitive at a given point. Oh, I was seeing the wrong thing. Okay, there's a 20. The goat steps in a rock. The rock breaks in 4. May the goat's head break the same as the rock break in 4. Oh, it even works in English. Holy. Okay, 26. Almost have enough for the battle table. Okay, 24. There you go. And let me see if it's enough for me to get a battle table. Furniture, combat table, yes indeed. Purchase. Okay. 26, 24, okay.
Oh, you want the full-on tongue twister?
What
Let's
the
hit
heck?
it. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Holy! Okay, I'm testing it this way. It creates a vector, vector, vector. It can't help. I see. Okay, 26. And you want 7. There you go. Yeah, starting to get a bit bored, not gonna lie. But yeah, for me it kinda is easy for me to get bored. Okay, there you go. And $1. Next. Oh, we have a player. I'm not gonna play. Ugh. This is so slow. Can I say that the game looks like crap? You can. I have been sponsored, but I haven't been sponsored to say anything good. No. Hold up. Let me explain. The game is sponsored, but I was sponsored through Keymailer. So I received a key for the game for me to play. I am obligated to play it within a certain time.
Who's ready to mash that woodchuck with a dash of C-sharp speed?
Woo.
No need for a test patch, just hit the deploy.
Holy! Tulip, are you okay over there?
Sprint? How exhilarating. Better deploy before the code passes through the safety net. Let's avoid a null pointeress and keep the logs quiet.
Are you a furry? Do I need to explain the difference between a furry and a femboy and a catboy and everything else? No, I'm not a furry. She scared me. Did she have cocaine? I don't know, maybe.
I don't need drugs when my sweaty CPU is churning code at hyper-fast compile speed. It's like a caffeine high for the brain. Trust me, that null blade groove is enough to keep me burning through bugs on a single line. Whoa, boom, just like that.
Let me do something. Stop streaming. Let me put the stream on. Where is the Europe one that's closest? Should be this one. Start streaming. Is it better now? Essentially, I switched on OBS.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay! Yay!
Holy, that's loud. But yeah, on OBS, I switched to the France server.
Pure, unfiltered power.
So now it should be better. I don't know if it's the Twitch server that is having issues. If it's my internet speed, I don't know. Something basically disconnected me. So, yeah. Let me take a look at status Twitch TV. See if it was something there. Status Twitch TV. Nope. Everything is operational. Yeah. Must be something with the automatic thing. Now that I've selected a specific server, it shouldn't have any issues, but let's see. But yeah, as I was explaining before the internet crashed or whatever happened, I am not obligated to speak in a positive way about the game. If I do say like anything negative, I'm in my own right. Even if I was paid sponsor, I'd have my own right to say bad. So yeah, that's basically it.
Redacted. Feel the rush of codes storming through my mind.
Yeah,
heart racing, soul igniting, everything blazing like a frozen fireball of C# wizardry.
Like, I'm gonna be honest. This is basically TCG battles, TCG shop simulator with basically figurines instead of cards. It's basically it. Let's go. But yeah, tell your speech. You can get something very exciting. Holy. I see your model is also doing some choice phrases per se. Alright, but yeah, I'm just gonna play for a bit more, but I just don't see this as a game I'd play for long periods of time. So yeah, take that as you may. I'm gonna tell my speech some very unsavory stuff. Go right ahead. I don't blame you. Like, this is essentially what the game is. This battle figurines here. I'm gonna tell you something bad speech. Heart. But yeah, I think I'm gonna basically just save game and yeah. Yes. Because I don't see myself playing this. I'm sorry. But yeah, even this, like, it triggered me when I saw it. Like, I thought, is this freaking AI in the freaking banner? Because like, there's an 80% chance that this is AI. It's not specified anywhere that it is. I feel there's a bit of AI somewhere. Like, I don't judge. This is an early access. But using assets made with AI go in my books. How does it not? Oh, for God's... Yeah. Let me do something. How is it on the